Today we are doing something I've never done on this channel before. We are going to smoke some bacon. Welcome back, everybody. Today we are doing something I've never done on this channel before. We are going to smoke some bacon. So we've got a few different kinds here. We're going to come out here and get our smoker going and check this out, because this is a super simple recipe, super easy to do, doesn't take very long, and it is way better than any kind of store-bought bacon that you're going to get out of your local meat market. So here we go. We're getting the grill going, the smoker going. All right, we got our fire rolling now. We're gonna shut this lid down.
Let it warm up inside here.
We're gonna shut that lid and let it warm. So today we got 3 different kinds of pork belly that we're gonna smoke and turn into bacon. This one is what kind? Bourbon? All right.
This is my wife's concoction. Jalapeno
bacon. I've never had it, but you can't go wrong with a little jalapeno on your pork belly.
I'll give it a shot and see what happens. And then lastly, we got a maple flavor bacon that's going on here.
Maple flavor?
Maple, yeah.
All right. So with the maple, we had Candace turn some of our syrup into maple sugar. And we got that. Look at all the different color between them. You can tell the bourbon and the jalapeno are way different than that maple, huh?
Yeah. Different seasonings. Different,
all right.
Different way to cure it. Close that down so we keep some smoke in and let her eat.
So we're gonna smoke this for 2 hours. We'll come out and keep checking on the fire, make sure there's smoke going on there, but you want a nice good smoke to it, and it really enhances that flavor and all the seasonings we put on. So here's to More bacon. So as you can see, we are gearing up for syrup season. We're gonna be starting this real soon. We're just getting all of our areas set up here. Got a little bit different setup with our IBC totes this year, but we're getting there. We got all our equipment up here. We have yet to tap a tree, so we will be tapping trees shortly. It's been kind of a roller coaster with the weather right now, so we're kind of just waiting on that. We're waiting on the weather to be correct before we go out and start tapping. First check here, looking good. Threw a couple new pieces of maple on. So this is all we're using here. It's just sticks of dried out maple. Nothing crazy.
2 hours later.
Oh yeah, look at that. We got what, a solid 2 hours on this?
Yeah, just about, yeah.
That's looking fantastic. So the thing with bacon, you don't want to over smoke this bacon either. You're not trying to cook it or anything. You're just getting the smoke flavor in it. And if you put too much in it, it does make it taste a little bit off. Yeah. So that is the jalapeno.
Yes, it is. Jalapeno.
And then we got, let's see, a bourbon. Look at it. Oh, doggy. That looks good. So what we'll do now is we'll put these in a real cold refrigerator or a freezer and get them stiff before you go to slice them. We got a slicer we'll end up slicing this stuff with, but you got to get that meat stiff because right now it's just too soft and a little too wiggly. Look at that.
That's the maple.
Yep. Real good smoke flavor on that, I bet. See how simple it is to just do some of this quick stuff, you know, at home, like with the bacon. You can go buy your pork belly for a lot cheaper than you can go buy bacon for right now. Throw a little bit of seasonings on it. We put a cure to it, let it go for 10 days or so, flip it in the refrigerator every day in a plastic bag, and then smoke it just like this. Let it freeze up, and then you slice it and vacuum seal it, and you've got awesome bacon. And I am really looking forward to that bourbon bacon right there.
Me too.
I want to try that.
That's gonna be good.
We figure we can save money on all of our bacon. Now this year we're doing bacon this way. Hopefully next year we'll have maybe our own pork bellies to mess with. We'll see. Stay tuned.
A lot of keep it in the refrigerator, get it done hard, and it cuts a lot easier.
I see that. Looks great though.
This is the bourbon.
I can smell it.
Kind of excited to try this one.
So obviously we're off farm from Gagne Farms today. We're over at Lucas and Melissa's house and we are slicing this bacon that we smoked yesterday, and that is looking fantastic. It smells even better than it looks, let me tell you. This here's our jalapeno all sliced up and ready to go, and Melissa is sitting here and she has got
Last package of bourbon,
the
man.
last package of bourbon going. It's looking awesome though.
The moment we've all been waiting for. The bacon tasting.
All right, we got all three kinds here fried up. We're gonna do a little taste test right now and see what we think of this. Lucas?
This is the maple. Anybody else?
Yes. I thought you'd never ask.
All right,
Dennis,
take a
wanna
little
come
piece.
taste?
Not too bad. Didn't have enough fat on it, though, you know.
That one was kind of, there's a lot of meat on that, yeah. Good though.
I can taste the maple.
What's that one?
This is the bourbon.
Ooh. the bourbon bacon.
This is the one I can't wait for.
Right. I want a nibbler. Yeah, a little nibbler. Yeah?
Eat that piece, Eric. That's big enough.
Oh my god.
There's a little piece. Let's try this bourbon bacon out here.
That is good.
Let's go. Alright.
That's good stuff right there, Maynard.
Mm-hmm.
I like it. All right.
This here.
Is that jalapeno?
This is the jalapeno stuff.
Yeah?
Just a little bit of spice to it. Yeah.
Jalapeno bacon.
Is there some jalapeno flavor to
Just a
it?
little bit. Just a hint.
There is a little in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
I was hoping for at least
Yeah.
a little hint of it.
Just a little hint of it. That's good. We'll try that. I know.
I still like that bourbon bacon. That was pretty good.
That was amazing.
Very good. Very good, guys.
Okay, I do get a hint of it.
Yeah. Just enough. You don't want it,
Don't
kill
want
you.
it.
Right.
Yeah, it's very good. So you guys, you can make all your own different recipes with bacon, all on your own, at your own home, right on your grill. It's super easy. I hope you guys take a little bit of advice from us here, and if we can do it, anybody can do it. So, all right, we will check you guys
He's out.
On the next one.